Hey, Joel here, and I'm going to teach you how you can make $200 to $500 a day doing proper affiliate marketing and list building. I'm Joel Tarian, and I've been an entrepreneur since I was 16 years old. I saw my first real income by age 23. Here are a few things that I've learned along the way. You don't build a business, you build people into a great team that then creates a business and a legacy. Bringing great people into your team is about demonstrating that size really doesn't matter. People do. So that's really the question. What is proper affiliate marketing? Well, let's show you what you shouldn't be doing. I see so many people join affiliate programs. So what is an affiliate program? Well, you can go to a place like ClickBank or JVZoo. Those are two awesome marketplaces where you can find products that people are willing to pay you anywhere from 25% commission to 100% commission on their products and services. So that's probably the best place to start. Go to ClickBank or JVZoo, and they always show you the top converting offers. Whatever is the most popular there, you know are products and services that are converting very, very well. And you want something that converts well because you don't want to drive traffic somewhere and you find out that the product just isn't interesting to the end consumer. So those two places will have the most popular products and services in all types of niches, whether it's weight loss, whether it's affiliate marketing itself, whether it's selling products or services, whether it's in the mortgage industry, it doesn't matter. So you can pick the niche that you want, and right then and there, you'll know what are the top converting offers. Here's what people generally tend to do very, very wrong. They will join the program, and they'll put a post on their Facebook and send people directly to the affiliate offer, which is a big problem. Yes, you might make some money, but your lasting residual income is from list building first. So if you look on your screen now, if you send somebody from a Facebook post or you're doing any types of promotions, whether it's Google ads or Facebook ads or just basic organic posts, if you send them directly to the offer, you're missing a critical, massive component. And that is you're sending the prospect directly to them and you don't get the chance to get their name and email address. You don't get the chance to build a database of prospects. So what you want to do always when you're doing your affiliate marketing is create a page. Create a squeeze page that is congruent with the offer that you want to promote. So let's say it's yoga. Well, and let's say the yoga product is an amazing product on how to do hot yoga from home, okay? So you would create a squeeze page, and that squeeze page is gonna give you that person's name and email address. So you're gonna create your own page first. And on that page, it might say the top 5 things you wanna know to warm up before doing hot yoga. Something congruent with the offer that you're promoting as an affiliate. That way, when they come to the first page, so you're going to do all your traffic generation and send them to the page that you created. On that page, they're going to leave you a name and email address. Once you do that, and they click submit, then your thank you page is your critical page. When somebody takes an action, and that simple action is putting in a name and email address, you have something that's very critical, and it's called their attention. It's very hard to get people's attention, but when somebody takes an action with their mouse and on their keyboard and they type out a name and email and they get to the thank you page, so they hit submit and they get to the thank you page, that is a page where you have somebody's 100% attention. So you want to use that real estate space to send them over to the affiliate offer, but also possibly put some other links in there as well, because then you can sell multiple products and services. So your thank you page is very, very critical, but the most critical part is, again, don't send people directly to the affiliate offer. So I'm doing some advertising, I bring them to my squeeze page, I get their name and email address, they come to a thank you page, and then from the thank you page, they go over to the affiliate offer. That way, while you're doing all your promotions, while you're doing all your traffic generation, you're actually building a list. And the list is the most critical component for long-term profits. And here's why. You might set up an ad on Facebook, and let's say it's costing you 20 cents per click. Well, if you send it directly to the affiliate offer, that's all that you can promote. By getting the name and email address first, now you can promote multiple products and services to that list. So coming back to the yoga list, I'm building a list of people that I know are interested in yoga. And then even if they don't buy the original affiliate offer that you were promoting, they might buy something on how to set up their own yoga studio, what clothes you might be able to want to sell to people who are involved in yoga. The list goes on and on and on. And by being able to build that list and then promote multiple products, services, and offers to that list, that's where you're going to generate income. And most importantly, by consistently staying in touch with that list, that's when you build know, like, and trust. It's very hard to do ads on Facebook, Google, YouTube, wherever, to cold traffic. Cold traffic is somebody who doesn't know you, they've never seen you before, and you send them directly to the offer. Now, you will make some money, but the big money comes from consistently following up with that list that you're building, so they come to know, like, and trust who you are. And so that's what building a list is all about. It's about permission-based email marketing, getting those people to know, like, and trust you so that you can promote whatever you want to with them. So that's the proper way. You'll see quick profits very, very quickly. And now you start to own the traffic. Now, when you send emails, you can generate traffic to anywhere you want to go. So that's the proper way to build your list. That's the best way to get your list to know, like, and trust you. And that's the best way to create multiple offers so that you generate $100, $200, even as much as $1,000 a day. So listen, obviously I can't teach you everything here in one single day. Just if you look below here, you can join my free coaching program where I give out tips and tricks every single day, not on just on affiliate marketing, but on how to set up e-commerce stores, how to network with people, how to end up on all the leaderboards on some of the most popular products you've seen out there, how to attract great JV partners. So just look below this video and join my coaching program for free, and I look forward to working with you.